Welcome to my HTML CSS beginner series. In my last video, I had told you about attributes. In my last video, in which we gave different colors to text and applied different attributes in different tags. Today, I will tell you about different types of formatting and how to do them. Formatting can be of different types, as to bold the text, to make it italic and to underline it. I show you the list of formatting we will study today. You can bold the text in it in two ways. There is the tag of progress bar, small tag, mar tag, and em tag and del tag. These are some of the important tags which are very frequently used. Though there are many other tags we will study along. Let's begin without wasting any more time. If you want a specific text to bold or make it prominent, then you can bold any specific text from that paragraph with no difficulty. So let's see first of all which text to highlight. Let's highlight a blog. For example, you can highlight any of text of your own choice. It is a pair tag. We will start tag before the blog and end the tag after the blog. Now you can see by refreshing and save that this blog has been bold. Same as it is if you want to bold any other text, then same as before you will begin and end the blog. That blog also be bold if you will see it after save. So after closing the tag, let's save it and refresh the page. You can see that that text also has been bold. You can also use strong tag for this purpose. The difference is only this, that the strong tag is mostly used in HTML5. The way is the same. The part which is required to bold you will start before that and end after that. When we will see that after save that text will be bold. Now I make another paragraph and copy paste a lot of text in that, so you may understand formatting tag more clearly. So let me copy and paste it several times and save the file, refresh it, so you can see that a lot of paragraph has been arrived. Now if you want to underline any text, so you can do that. For this, U tag will be used. We have underlined text in CSS in my last video, and the tag you started before will be closed in the end. Now save the file and after refreshing the page, you can see that the text has been underlined. You can underline any other text also in the same way. So let me underline another text, start the tag, U tag, and end it after the text. So save the file, refresh the page, save it, refresh the page, and you can see that text has been underlined. Next of it, we will study del tag. For instance, you will have mostly seen label of price on shopping website. Their old price has been cut and new price along with has been given. With del tag, old price can be cut. For this, del tag is used. I write old price in H1 in del tag and also new price along. So let's write $any price of your own choice, del tag, and price, close the del tag, and write new price along with that, any price of your own choice, save the file. It shows $80 along with cross on $100. With this, I tell you one more tag. If you want to make small $100, then you will use small tag. As you have seen in the example that the text of old price was a bit small. You can also use two tags at the same time, but you will have to take care about a thing that the text you started before will be closed in the end. So this is a very important point. Let me close the small tag, and you can see that I have written del tag inside, close it inside, and small tag in the beginning, and end the small tag at the end. So that is very important point while using two tags. Save the file, refresh it. So now you can see that $100 is little smaller now. My purpose is to tell the usability of every tag very well. When you will design a full page after all tags at that time, many points will be clear to you. After it, there is a mark tag. If you want to highlight any text, then in the same way you will start the tag before the text and close after that. So after closing the tag, save it, refresh the file, and you can see that text first is highlighted now. Next is progress tag we will study. You will have seen on the different websites that there is a progress bar, or when you are installing some software, its completion bar shows. For this, we will write progress tag. Now, we will tell its value how much %, and then maximum value of total percentage. Means 35% has been completed out of 100. So now you have to close the tag and save the file. So let me save the file and refresh. So you can see this, the progress bar and completion of 35% out of 100. It was our today's video. I hope you understood the topic well. Give your feedback in comments. Subscribe my channel for the notification of next videos. We will study CSS and types of CSS in my next video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.